Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we will be talking about two fundamentally sound stocks which Shyam Sekhar thinks can be accumulated on every market dip. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock which Shyam Sekhar chose was ITC Limited, which is available at Rs 264.50 and the face value for this stock is 1. The symbol for it is ITC. Now ITC Limited is a holding company and is a hugely diversified one. Now it is involved in the marketing of FMCG goods and the company operates through 4 segments which are FMCG, hotels, paperboards, paper and packaging and agribusiness. Now the important thing to note that all particular verticals of this company are in the pink of health. If you were to look at the 1-year chart, you would be seeing that this stock has been an underperformer. The market cap of the company is 3,22,803.60 crores, which means that this company is a large cap. The company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 28.75, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 28.93. The book value is 46.35, which translates into a price to book ratio of 5.71. Now the second stock on the list is Bata India Limited, which is available at Rs 779.50 and the face value for this stock is 5. Now Bata India Limited is engaged in the business of manufacturing and trading of footwear and accessories through its retail and wholesale network. This is also involved with the development of real estate. Now the 1-year chart shows that this company was on a beautiful uptrend for the initial part of the year, but of late this company has been consolidating and has not really done much. The market cap of the company is 10,018.72 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 17.40 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 44.80, which is slightly more expensive compared with the industry PE of 40.15. The book value for the company is 120.51, translating into an expensive price to book ratio of 6.47. Now the dividend yield provided with the company is 0.45, whereas the promoter holding is better than average at 52.96. Now Shyam Sekhar believes that both these stocks are fundamentally sound plays in an organized market. Now friends, please don't just jump in. Please go ahead and do your own research. Shyam Sekhar believes that these stocks should be accumulated on corrections. Please don't consider any of this to be stock recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on this channel are intended to be pieces of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.